Welcome back to Excel with Ernest. Please like, share, and follow Techie Train on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, we talked about the count and counter. We talked about how counts only numbers and counter counts non-empty cells. In this video, we'll be talking about the mean and the max. Now, the mean is the function to find the smallest number, while the max does the opposite, which finds the largest number. Now, we want to find the minimum value here. Let's run this 100, 90, 70. Now we have a sequence of numbers over here. We want to find the minimum, the lowest number here. We use our equals to mean to find the minimum number. The mean returns the smallest number in a set of values, ignores logical values and text. So we write mean, we look like G1 to G6. Okay, G9. As you can see, the smallest number is as given, that is 18.33 is the lowest number in this list. You can also do the same here, equals to mean to find the lowest number of sales. Mean D2 to D6. So as you can see, the lowest number here is 35,000. We can also do the same for the rest, but there are other ways to use the mean function other than typing it in. Another way to use the mean function other than typing it in is coming over here, mean. It will calculate all the values, all the numerical values in a column, find the minimum and give it to us, which is that. We can find the same here. Rather than going through the typing, we come over here, put our mean, and it will calculate it all for us. And that is basically how the mean operates. Now we'll go into the max. 18. Let's highlight this and create a sequence, a new set of numbers. Okay. Now the max is the largest number. It will check the column and give us our maximum number, which will display max bracket open G1 to G9. Always remember to put your range G9. That will give us 100. because 100 is the highest number here, it will give us 100. We can also find for the same for here. We can look at equals to max bracket open G1 C1 to C6 bracket close, and that is basically to find the highest, which is 45,000 here. Another way to use the max function is to let's delete this. Let me delete this. Delete. Is to come over to our ribbon. We want to find the max of this column. Come over to our ribbon. Click on our max. It will calculate all the logical values here and give it to us. Instead of us going through the motion of typing, you can easily solve it with a click of a button, max, and find the maximum number. See it. And that is basically that. Now we have two questions that we have to answer based on this function. Which product has the lowest unit price? Which product has the lowest unit price? So the lowest unit price here, let's remove this. We find the minimum. We click on the mean. It will calculate the unit price and give us 5,000 as the unit price. So the product with the lowest unit price is the charger because of its low price of 5,000. And the second is what is the highest total sale? The total sale, the highest are you noticing something? Because the max, the closest value to it is this 5,000, so it found the minimum, which is C8, and gave it to us. But that's not what we are looking for. We are looking for the maximum of the total sales. So we come over here, click on max, and it will calculate all in this column and give it to us. So the maximum, which is the highest, is 900,000, which is the sale of a laptop. So the product with the highest sale is the laptop, and the highest total sale is the 900,000, which was the price a laptop was bought. So basically all we've said in this video is that the mean is for minimum numbers, the max is for maximum numbers. The mean is to find the smallest value in a column. The max is to find the highest or the largest value in a column. Sum is to add the total number in a column. Average is to add or divide it by the number of columns that are there and give us the average. And the count number is to count the number of values, numerical values in a column. That's all for this video. In the next video, we'll be doing some practical answering some questions in the next video. Ernest out.